So what you're looking at here is the Haval 86 GT powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine pushing out 155 kilowatts as well as 325 newton meters of torque. So let's get into the car and drive it because it is meant to be driven. Please don't forget to subscribe, and remember, I'm giving away 500 rands cash before Christmas. So one lucky subscriber will receive that money. So I'm going to put the car into race mode and we feel what it drives like. So it is really something that you expect the best performance out of the car, and let's see. So when you put it on race mode, the instrument cluster changes and it shows you that we are on race mode. Just show the speed limit there, but we're just gonna break the law either way. But then I'm just gonna put it on drive, not on manual. So I'm just gonna floor it and we feel what it drives like. The nice thing is that it really changes the sound of the exhaust without you accelerating. Just when you put it on race mode, everything changes. Oh, this is super awesome, and how the car handles is also very good. So it's a car you will enjoy. I think we're gonna run out of fuel here. Should we?
We will refill, don't we?
Nah. Now the car is on sport. We're just gonna wait for the car in front to get into the road, then we go. But in terms of response, everything is perfectly fine. The car is very responsive, but like I said, there's a bit of turbo lag, but it is not that bad. I guess when the car is on manual, it is barely something that you can feel. So we'll just see now how the car responds. So what also defines a proper performance car is also how it handles when you are driving in a road that has got a lot of curves. So it really doesn't have much issues when you drive in such conditions. It responds very well, and the handling is very good as well. So there's a few SUVs that can really do what this car is capable of doing. So it is the only car that you can buy for the price that really gives you this much of performance. So if you're really interested in the car, do actually go for it. You won't regret, because it also comes with a lot of safety features that you do not need to add as optional extras. Everything just comes as standard. All these features that you see being activated here just come as standard, and that is the nice part about this car. So for example, it shows you which side are you turning on the screen via the cameras. It's very responsive even on manual mode. Yeah? So now the car is on normal. He will rev it for you guys to hear what the car sounds like on normal. Now, with regards to fuel consumption, this car is estimated at 8 liters per 100 kilometers. But then in real world, you'll do something between 10 and 12 liters per 100 kilometers. After driving this car in race mode and sport mode, we were averaging 23 liters per 100 kilometers. There's only 3 issues that I've picked up with this car, the first being the fuel consumption figure, followed by turbo lag, as well as body roll when you let your foot off the brake. So you get to experience all those 3 things. The fuel consumption figure is very high. I think for day-to-day driving, you might have to spend a lot of money, but then you will ultimately get used to it. Apart from all of that, the handling of the car as well as the overall driving experience in terms of comfort and everything is still perfectly fine. Please remember to watch my full review of this car. The link is on the description below. Also remember to subscribe, like this video, comment and share to your friends, family members. And also remember that I'm giving away 500 rands to 1 lucky subscriber. And the goal is to get to 4,000 subscribers before Christmas.